Welcome to another episode of Friend Outdoors.
With gun season well underway, Mark decides to go back to that elevated blind where him and Angie had seen all those deer on their previous hunt. Mark knows that several bucks are in the area by his trail cameras, and he knows that the does eventually will show up at this field. And he's hoping that a good buck will show up and give him an opportunity. Here's what happens. A little after daylight, as does start entering the field, and this 8-point buck shows up, following the does around the field, trying to check them out. You can definitely tell it's gun season as you can hear gunshots off in the distance. This 8-point buck is about to grunt if you've never heard one. Notice how skittish these does are as they're tired of being chased by every buck in the woods. It's good to see this 4-point buck that Angie saw in the last video show back up as he's feeding in this field and chasing does. Listen closely to these deer vocalizations coming up. Something back in the timber definitely have these does' attention, and I'm just hoping it's a bigger buck. Here we have some more does coming out of the timber. With some new does showing up at the field, this 8-point decides he'd better come back and check those does out. This buck was all over this field on this morning trying to find a receptive doe. One of these does has got this buck's attention. With the 8-point buck exiting the field, this 4-point decides he'd better show back up and check things out for himself. The 8-point buck makes his way back to the field to check on some more does. As we get later into the morning, the deer exit the field, heading back to their bedding areas. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Here's a quick recap. I decided to come back in the same area in that blind that Angie and I were in when we saw those does and those two small bucks. I felt like with all these does in the area, there was a good chance that a better buck would show up in the field and check them out if they were sticking around. But as we all know, when that rut kicks in and those bucks start covering ground, you never know how far they're going to go. So one of the local bucks that I had on camera this season had a couple nice ones. I was hoping one of them would show up. But then again, you could get a buck from a completely different area that's moving through as he's looking for those traveling. That's why we keep going out there and hunting and doing the best we can to try to capture and get that buck of our dreams. So this was an exciting evening. Again, we saw a bunch of deer. That 8-point showed up. I did have videos and pictures of him on camera throughout the season. But he didn't stay here a lot. He would travel, he'd show up for a little bit, then he would leave. Again, I was hoping something bigger would show up. Listen, we want to thank you for watching. We really appreciate your time and your support. If you get some spare time, underneath the Shorts tab, check that out. We got a lot of different animals. A lot of these clips are just 15 seconds. If you get some time, we really think you'd enjoy them. We'd like to thank our military personnel. Thank you for your service. Now for a preview of an upcoming episode on Friend Outdoor Adventures.